Last time, we talked about the importance of kitchen design. This time, we're going to walk you through every step of the way when planning out for a commercial kitchen. First, when customer first arrived at INEO, we need to confirm several things with them. For customers who needs kitchen design, we'll need a drawing layout of the area planned for them. And then, we'll design the space, plan out the right equipments, and plan out a smooth operation line to make sure for the maximum safety and the efficiency for the staffs. When selecting equipments, we'll provide advice according to various scenarios, including budget, brand requirements, environment conditions, and so on. For example, if customers' desired location to open a new restaurant is in a coastal area, which contains a lot of ocean breeze and salt water, they require a higher brand of stainless steel. For example, our 304 level stainless steel. Because if you use a normal grade stainless steel, there might be a rusting problem. Another example is when the desired location is in a very hot environment, for example in a desert area, then the customers will need a water cooling ventilating system to cool down the air temperature blowing directly to the chef. Then, after everything is confirmed, we'll give our customers with a proper quotation. If the customers came prepared with an equipment list with all the size requirements, that means that they have already finished with the kitchen design part. We'll give out a quotation according to their list. Some customers are working with chain hotels. These hotels might have specific requirements, like the brands and for the kitchen equipments. With many previous experience and being close partners with various international famous brands, INEO could provide all the according equipments with a distributor's price. One of our key advantages for a one-stop solution service is our after-sales plan. Instead of going to different companies when problem occurs, customers can directly communicate with INEO with all of their problems. This will save time and money for them. For more information about our one-stop solution kitchen design, please visit our website to learn more. Thank you.